Hello friends, welcome to Learn JavaScript video series. So in the past two tutorial we saw how to use the window object and navigator object. Now we will look into history object. History object is used to navigate a browsing history. Note, so navigate is to, the history is to navigate the browsing history. So it will not list the site visited. So for security purpose, JavaScript won't expose the history of the visited sites. So you can navigate, but you cannot list the visited sites. Let's say we have a history object. So the history object exposes three built-in functions. So one is forward, other one is back, and third one is the function go, which takes a number. Alright, before that, what we will do, we will open Internet Explorer or Chrome. Then after opening that, first we will browse these sites in the following order. First we will go to amazon.com. Then we will browse Microsoft. After that, we will browse our script. Then we will browse Yahoo. Finally, we will browse google.com. And if you see, so this is our script. And when a script is here, when you make a call to forward, you will jump to the history Yahoo, and if you say backward, you will go to microsoft.com. So that's the use of a forward and backward. You can also use the go function. So as per history, this will be treated as a -1 and -2. So this is the past history, and in the forward direction we have two more entries. So if we pass -2, then from our script we will directly jump to amazon.com if you pass -2 to the go-to. And similarly, if you pass +2, you will directly go to google.com. So now it is a demo time. We will see how it works. So here is the example, and if you see, we have two input control. So these are two buttons with label back and forward and linked to the JavaScript function back and forward. So if you look at back, we are making call to history.back. So this will move backward in the browsing history, and this will move one side forward in the history. Then we have some paragraph, say instruction that says go to any visited links, plus moves forward and minus move backward. Then we provide one input element, and by default we display -2. So when user clicks the go to button, we make a call to go to. So inside the go to, we get the element value for this go text box, then we will parse it to integer, and now this will have the integer number that we input here on this text box. So we can input positive or negative, and if you see here by default we are having -2. Then we are making use of the go function call on history object. So this is useful to jump to any site in the browsing history. Alright, now let us open Explorer. So first we will browse to msn.com. Next we will browse Microsoft. Okay, it is taking some time. Let's wait. Alright. So now let us browse to our example. So as you see, it has back and forward button, then one paragraph, after that a text box and a go to button. So we will examine this. Before that, we will visit other two sites. Then we will go to Google. Alright, now I am using the back button to go to our script. And if I click back button, we will move to Microsoft. So this time I'm clicking the browser's back button. So it will come to our, sorry, I have to click forward. So it will come to our script. Now I'm clicking forward. Now this will move to yahoo.com. Let's go back. And if you see here, I am placing -2 here. And if I click go to, MSN is the very first site we visited, right? So it will directly go to MSN, skipping the Microsoft, which was visited after MSN. Now let me, so you can see that how it is jumping. And if you see after MSN, we visited Microsoft. Since it is taking time, I'm moving to our script. And now I am providing +2. So that means it will skip Yahoo and directly go to Google. So just now you saw how our script moved to Microsoft and Yahoo using forward and back method. Then we used the go function to jump to Google and MSN by providing positive and negative to the go-to function. I mean in the input box. So internally in the JavaScript we will take that number, then we will pass it to the go function. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.